Maintaining the overall health of your car can be difficult to keep track of. Your windshield wipers need attending to so you can see clearly, your tires inspected to make sure you can drive, and your oil changed to keep your engine running. While you might have your auto service regimen down to a T, it's likely that you still have questions regarding essential car care. One topic that's often left drivers uncertain is the difference between wheel alignment and tire balancing. Often used interchangeably, these two car tire auto services ensure the long-term health of your vehicle. A wheel alignment deals with your car tires, and it's more concerned with the well-being of your suspension system as a whole. Wheel alignment services are used to straighten your suspension system to keep your vehicle driving in a straight pattern. But a wheel alignment doesn't do anything to improve the performance or quality of your car tires. There are several clearly recognizable signs that your vehicle is in need of an alignment. If you experience your car pulling to one side when you let go of the steering, uneven tire tread, squealing tires, or a vibrating steering wheel, then it's time to take your car in to get looked at. Tire balancing is directly concerned with the health and well-being of your car tires. This process involves attaching your tire to a machine that sends it through several spins to assess the weight distribution across your tire's radius. An auto service technician then attaches various weights to certain parts of the wheel face and inside in order to achieve a perfect balance while traveling at high speeds. You need your tires balanced if you experience odd vibrations in the floor of your steering wheel, tire tread is wearing uneven, or if your steering wheel vibrates when you accelerate. Want more tips? Visit Toyota of Orlando at 3575 Vineland Road.